Hey guys, how you going? I've been having a problem with my Fatshark predators where one of the lenses will it'll keep flickering off to black, and it's actually the backlight. And apparently, I read on a forum somewhere that the power plugs for the backlights are a bit dodgy, and in transport they can come loose. And anyway, I read a fix where you pinch the plug and you'll get a better connection and you won't have a problem with your lenses going black, which was a bit scary while I was flying, and then one eye just sees black, and it's pretty scary when you're 100 meters up in an FPV plane. So anyway, I'm gonna try and fix it now. Okay, so now there's just the two screws in the bottom, one there and one there, and then the sides come apart fairly easy, and then they should just pop apart. Okay, there we go. Now these two plugs are the backlight plugs. So what we've got to do is pull them off. Hopefully you can see them. We've got to pull them off and just get a pair of pliers and squeeze them down a little bit. Or apparently you can just solder these wires straight down to the PCB. Okay, it's going to be tricky. I hope this is on camera. Wow, that's pretty loose. So apparently wow, that's much tighter. Yeah, that's pretty loose. Okay. Just want to squeeze them, not too tight obviously because they're pretty small plugs, but just till you can see them start to kind of distort. And while they're open, that's the rest of them there. There's your switch panel up the top for your channel and contrast and volume for your headphones. There's your 5.8 gig receiver, and I believe that's the head tracker module right there. So anyway, that's much better. Okay, so now that's that. Turn the light off. And hopefully you can see static because the transmitter isn't on. And there you go. So it's a pretty easy fix. I was kind of getting stressed out about it, about sending these back to Hobby King and waiting weeks and weeks on end. But yeah, I'm glad that I found that at least someone else was having the same problem as me, and found a fix. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.